What up guys, this is your boy DJ and I'm back with another episode. Today we have talked about legendary Bizzy Bone. Bro, last night was so major, so wonderful. Bizzy had beautiful show in his hometown in Cleveland with his sons and nephews. Here was Lil Bizzy, White Bill Sinatra, Harmony Gods, man. Last night we had real Bone Thugs thing. It's the Bone thing.
In my 94 Honda Accord got stolen, and it had my Bone Thug CD in it. So I think about that every time I see Bone.
I think I'm gonna might be saying a little something as well.
Well, all my mics are right here.
As the artists that they are, and of course this record that we share together, and having a good time, Cleveland, showing Cleveland love, and like a lot of good vibes, you know. We're doing a toy drive.
Guys, as you see, Bizzy did wonderful interview with local radio station in Cleveland with White Bill Sinatra, Lil B. Here was my bro AC Killer, man. Big shout out to the whole team. I love you guys. You last night did such crazy, beautiful show, man. I want to show you last night footage, and I'm sure that you really enjoy this beautiful show, man. Check this out. So guys, this was the last performance of the year by Bizzy Bone. I'm Bizzy Tour is over in 2022. Guys, don't forget to stream and support his latest projects. I'm Bizzy. This is already classic album with his sons, man. This is family album. This is so dope, man. If you are a true fan of Bizzy Bone, this album is absolutely for you, man. So if you like how we, don't forget to subscribe YTV, get the notification bells, and visit hiphoptv.com. Thanks for watching. Peace.
Give me a clue, but you need to catch my flow. I'm the one from the Snake City, sticky. I'm not weeping, I'm just squeezing. I'm the bone. I love Bizzy, lazy flesh, crazy wish, and rest in peace to Big Easy. Rest in peace to all homies, good and young, and it's a pity, yeah. Rest in peace, take off.
What's the rhythm? Some of them check me, man.